All right. Hello. Check. Mic 1, 2, 3. Hello. All right. Hello everyone. Has everyone have their coffee yet? Uh, be be mindful of coffees because they might give you LVH. Yeah, you know what is LVH? LVH stands for left ventricular hypertrophy. I think that's left ventricular hypertrophy. And yeah, I got an LVH not the diagnosis. It's a result of an ECG last 2 weeks ago because we have an APE in our company, and then there I got the result of my ECG is, hey. Hey, Papa is working. Nak, why are you here, Nak? Hmm. Okay, come here. Ask Mama, be. Mama needs a bread. Papa needs a bread. Close the door. Okay, while the easy. Okay, let's just continue here. Enough with drama. But Nak, close the door, Nak. But fortunately, I got a second opinion, and I got another ECG in another test laboratory. Is it a laboratory? Yeah, medical labs. I don't know what is called, or medical testing thing. Um, I got another ECG, and my ECGs are fine. My ECG result is fine, and I have normal result. So I talked to the doctor, and he said that I need to have what's that? 2D echo. I think that is what it's called. So that because the ECGs are not really accurate, they're just some indicators that they say, oh yeah, this is an LVH, but they can't really tell. So the more accurate one is the 2D echo, and I got my 2D echo last over the weekend, and I still don't have the result, but Anak, come here. But thank you, thank you. I love you. I love you. Don't don't bother the workers, huh? Just stay at the anak. Do some watercolor. Mm. So I got another. Oh, whatever you know. So the doctor said I got a 2D echo, and over the weekend I got 2D echo, and the operators there said that she didn't see any um alarming thing in my 2D echo, and but it's still the doctor that will um tell me the official result. And where am I now? So yeah, um maybe the reason why I got a very erroneous ECG and during my EPE is because I drink a lot of coffee, and yeah, I've also walked um um from the parking lot to the testing building, and I drink a lot of coffee. I walked on that day. I walk a lot of like a long distance, and I also walk up the stairs. So maybe that's the reason why I got a faulty result in my ECG. So yeah, just continue. While the ECS test is running, ELB load balancer will constantly do health checking the container as you config in the target group to check if the container is still responding. When we debug message, the container responding to the health check path with protocol. I suggest a config health check path in target group. So it can't find the health check can't find some. Yeah. So let's check here our. So the load balancer. So the load balancer here. Where's our load balancer? Okay, this is our load balancer. Target listener. Yeah, we haven't set up the health checking. Okay. So we will we will rerun these things again, and we'll set up the health checking in our target group, in our load balancer. Okay, to begin, let's start by creating the ALB. Okay, so as usual, we're going to copy that and put it here in our uh, deployment notes, and soon we will automate all of this so that it will just be one command. But for now, I'm still a noob. uh, so I've been a noob all my life. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Let us let's check for our ALB. All right, so let's go to our EC2. All this time I've been searching for a love. Hey, where's my phone? Right. I forgot the intro of that song. Um, before I let you go. Before I let you go. What is the start of that song again? Ah, yeah. Okay, there you go. I already remember. I can still remember yesterdays. We was so in love in a special way. Knowing that your love will make me feel oh so right. Alright. Yeah. I don't know why AWS takes so much time. Each and every day a word per miss. All that I was thinking of, because oh, because you're gone, left me standing all alone, and now I've got to face tomorrow. All right, the load balancer. This is quite funny. The load balancer has been loading. Yeah, that's funny. That is funny. Alright, please be quick because I need to go somewhere. It's somewhere down the road. Our roads aren't gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when fix common AWS code failures. CodeDeploy fail. Cause you're gonna let. Hey, where's my load balancer? I thought that I have a load balancer. Oh, let's go to the load balancer. API error. How come? We got a load balancer here. We got our load balancer. I can still remember yesterdays where we're so in love in a special way. Knowing that your love will make me feel oh so right. I miss you, my magic kiss. Each and every day I will remiss you that I always thinking. Okay, while waiting for this thing to get loaded, let's see here what's going on. But I recently discovered a way to automate deployment from OGS CodeDeploy. She's got it. I wonder. I think I saw somewhere where you can um, rent Mac OS and AWS. Here, Mac instances. So you don't have to buy a MacBook to. I'm not sure how much is it. Pricing. Is there any pricing in here? EC2 Mac instances allow developers to. Aday, wala ko'y bag dire day. Doa dito sa sud. Inas oh, quickly provision Mac OS. What's that again? Allows, huh? Where is it? Yeah. Mac instance allow provide developers with seamless access to dozens of AWS services so developers can more easily and efficiently collaborate with team members and develop blah, 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 reduce costs. Within minutes, adjust provision capacity as needed, and only pay for actual usage with pay-as-you-go pricing. Developers save money since they only need to pay for the system that are in use. For example, more capacity can be used when building an app and less capacity when testing. And why is this load balancer not appearing? Enabled by the AWS Nitro system. Oh man, what? There's no load balancer. How about let's create this target group? There's no load balancer. Why are there no load balancer? So we have a target group. Copy this and then put that here in our target group. And next is go to our listener, create the load balancer like that, and then add the target group, this one, and then create the listener. Health check. How about here? What is the health checking here? Yeah, we should have taken a look on the health checking of our load balancer. Okay, so let's check our target groups if we have target groups. I don't know what's going on here. Alright, here you go. There's our ALB. Take some time to load. Let's go and um, check its health listener. Health check. Where can we check the health checking? No, I think it's gonna get set up in when we create the service. Yeah, maybe. All right, so let's just continue. We have the listeners ARN. This one. This and then we're going to create the second target group, and then put the load balancer in here. and then the target group, this one, we'll put that in here, and then the target group will then get added here, and then let's create the second listener. Right, so there you go, our second listener. We will then add the ARN to our second listener. Next, we will create the cluster. And this is the clusters ARN. Then next is the task def. So we want to use the .NET 2, this one. And then let's read the task def. If it is referencing to any .NET 2, yeah, this one here. Referencing to any health checking, nope. So, alright, so let us execute that task def. Okay, working, attributes, placement, Fargate, yeah. Alright, so let us get that task def. That is our task def. And for our name, this container name is this one. And then next is we will create the service. So .NET 2, this one, let us read the .NET 2 service. Right, this one, let's see if there are any health checking here. No health checking, but we want to put the ARN of the first target group, this one here, put that in here. Alright, so and we also wanna go to our ECS. Oops. Here, go to ECS. I felt, I, I, I felt the earth, I felt the hate of self and made of self. I wonder how you can see inside. Alright, so let's go to task definition. Go to task definition 7. Let's see if we have. Let's go to create revision. Alright, so let's see if we have anything referring to some health checking. So this is the health checking. How do we update this? Enter a command list. The container runs to determine if it is healthy. Isn't it going to just check? Because the problem is, how about can we do a health check? Share definition, volume amount, requirements, compatibilities. Oh man, because the problem with our API is that it's not gonna respond, or is it? Let's open up Postman later. Um, Later, we'll just create the service first. Let's go to the README and execute the service, the creation of the service. Right, and then obtain the DNS. This is the service ARN. And let's see what else it's giving us here. Alright, so um, yeah, so let's go and get the DNS. This is the DNS of the load balancer. We should have uh, taken note of this on the initial call, on the initial creation. Load that. So there you go. And if you go to customers, so I believe this is where the problem is, because I'm not sure if this one will return a 200 or anything. Yeah, this one doesn't have a network result, or it is. And it's getting 404. Yeah, how can we make this return something? What is the code for that in .NET? Yeah, I'm about to go to the toilet. Yes, I will just update my .NET code, and yeah, see you around. All right, bye.